Ndinanga ndifi PK Mapilo. Namusi arikwenye gwambanga Makazi. Um, Last week Makazi went to your TV. She had an interview with your TV presenters. And some of you were laughing at Makazi, were saying that she doesn't know English. Kana ativichikuwa. And the funny part is that ndibavenda ndibone bane bakorini Makazi ativichikuwa. Instead of supporting your own, you are laughing at Makazi. But what was done by Ribu SABC, it's not wrong. Ribu SABC is a comedian, so whatever that comes to him, he would turn it to be a joke. So Ribu is just a comedian. It's like whatever, no. That's what they do. Mara, personally, I think for a Hela interview, Makazi always ends herself. The only thing that maybe she needs to improve is the movement of the hands. She was clumsy, but when it comes to English, very deep. She knows English. People are just jealous of Makazi, of what she's doing, and we are proud of Makazi. I'm not even Venda, but I listen to Makazi's music. I'm proud of Makazi. She handled the interview very well, as I said. The only thing that she needs to work on is the body language gestures, things like that. Hotels Lugis, but akachukua chitivo saizo wangu she did diploma in PR and this is out the she's not only doing music, she has something to fall back on. So stop laughing at Makazi or just choose out Maka SABC.